Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade marshmallows. This is a vintage recipe from the Great Depression era. I love marshmallows and I never made marshmallows before. I have a large bowl here, and the first step we have to do is take our cold water of a quarter cup cold water, pour it into the bowl, take our gelatin of 2 tablespoons of gelatin, which turns out to be 2 packets out of the box of gelatin. Pour that into the cold water so the gelatin soaks up the cold water. Leave that here. Second step is going to be taking 3/4 of a cup of cold water, putting it into a saucepan, and then adding 2 cups of sugar to our saucepan. We've got to boil this to a temperature of 238 degrees. So we stir it up a little bit to get it to go. Our gelatin and water has soaked up together, so now we're going to add our vanilla extract to our gelatin and water, and we're going to add our 1/8 of a salt, 1/8 teaspoon of salt to our gelatin mix, and stir it up while our sugar and water is boiling over there. Our sugar and water has come to a boil. Now let's see what the temperature is. We've about reached our temperature of 238 degrees. So now we're going to take it off the stove and go over and pour it into our gelatin bowl. Pour our sugar mixture very slowly into the gelatin and mix it up. Whisk it. We've got it all in there. Keep mixing this up till it gets fluffy, cool. To touch the bowl is very hot. I've mixed my mixture till it's cool and thick. Now I'm going to put it into a 9x9 pan that I have buttered. First I got to sprinkle it with some confectionery sugar. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into the bowl, into the pan. Okay, it's leveled out some. Now I have to cover it with the saran wrap and put it in my refrigerator for 24 hours. It's been overnight and I've removed my marshmallow from the pan. Now I've got to sprinkle the bottom that was in the pan with some sugar. I put wax paper down on my board and I flipped the pan over and got the marshmallow out of the pan and onto the wax paper. Now I've got to cut my marshmallow into strips, and this is not very thick marshmallow, so we're going to make mini marshmallows out of this. So now I have to take my knife and put some confectionery sugar onto the knife. So we'll make some little strips. Like so. That's one. And I love marshmallows, especially in hot chocolate. Like we said in the beginning, this is my first time making homemade marshmallows. As you can see, I cut my strips one way. Now let's cut the other way to get the little mini marshmallows. Pull them apart. Now we have to take these mini marshmallows and roll them in confectionery sugar. We just rolled the mini marshmallows in our confectionery sugar. Now we're shaking the excess sugar off, and we have a tray that we're going to put them in. Here's my marshmallows. They've all been cut up to about a 1/2 inch squares, and they look very nice. They came out great for the first time making homemade marshmallows.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. This is my homemade hot chocolate. I have a link below on how I made it. Now let's give it a taste. Nice and smooth. The marshmallows have melted somewhat, and it really tastes good. It came out great. Better than I expected. I will be enjoying my mini marshmallows in my hot chocolate.